but it feels so empty without me. So come on there, come on the lips, fuck that, come on the lips, and come on the tits, and get ready, cause this shit's about to get heavy. I just settled on my lawsuit. Fuck you, Debbie! Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Little hellions, kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed, their parents still listen to Elvis. They start feeling like prisoners helpless, cause someone comes along on a mission and yells, bitch! A visionary, vision is scary, cause start a revolution, polluting the airwaves, a rebel. So just let me revel and bask in the fact that I got everyone kissing my ass, and it's a disaster. Such a catastrophe, for you receive so damn much of my ass. You ask for me? Well, I'm back. Fix your minutes and I'm tuning in and I'm entering in the front of your skin like a splinter. The center of attention, back for the winner, I'm interesting. The best things investing in your kids' ears and nesting. Testing, attention please. Give attention, soon as someone mentions me, here's my 10 cents. My 2 cents is free, a nuisance. Who sent? You sent for me? Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause I feel so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I'm a tisk and a tasket, I go tit for tat with anybody who's talking this shit, that shit. Chris Patrick, you can get your ass kicked. Worse in the middle, Limp Bizkit bastards and Moby, you can get started by Obi. You 36-year-old boy, back home. You don't know me, but you won't let go, it's over. Nobody listen to techno, now let's go. Just give me the signal, I'll be there with a whole list full of new insults. I've been though suspenseful with a pencil ever since Prince turned himself into a symbol. But sometimes the shit just seems everybody only wants to discuss me. So this must mean I'm disgusting. But it's just me, I'm just obscene.